Did you know that you could even sleep on a train? Sleep on a train? Wow, that's pretty amazing. Beds are in the second train car on the track, which is right over there. Someone could be having a pajama party there. Shush, Eric. Don't wake anyone up. Let's sing about number 2. Da 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 da. TWO, that spells 2. TWO spells number 2. Twins and pairs and doubles too. These things come in 2. TWO, that spells 2. TWO spells number 2. 2 ears, 2 hands, 2 legs, 2 shoes. Put them all together. Could this be you? Besides, we even have our own cabin to sleep in here on the train on the Learning Express. Lamp off. Mm-hmm.
Hey, Google! Google!
Da 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 on.
We need one nightlight, please.
One nightlight, but this is the number 2 train car. We mean, 2 nightlights. 2 nightlights. You've got it. Now that's 2 times bright here. Actually, a little too bright with 2 nightlights. I don't think I'll be able to get to sleep with 2 nightlights. I'd rather just stick to 1 nightlight. Actually, Google, I don't think we can sleep. Neither can we. Well, maybe there are some things you could dream about. Like a sailboat. Or maybe a dragon. Like a knight fighting against a dragon. Oh yes, that would be an amazing dream, Google. Or you could even dream about seeing Cindy Circle again.
Cindy Circle again?
Cindy Circle made me dizzy.
Hey, Google, what's that over there?
Hey, it looks like Trixie Triangle standing on her head. Let's sing along with Trixie. Trixie Triangle has 3 sides, has 3 sides. She says you'll, but don't stop. See her on the rooftop, count her sides. 1, 2, 3. Trixie Triangle has 3 sides, has 3 sides. See her on the boat sail and upon the dragon tail. Count her sides. 1, 2, 3. Count her sides. 1, 2, 3. Wow, Trixie Triangle is amazing. Yes, unlike a regular circle, Trixie Triangle has 3 sides, while Cindy Circle has none. That's right. I suppose we don't need 2 nightlights. Maybe 1 nightlight will be better. How about 3 nightlights? 3 ... on. How about 0 nightlights? 0? I bet there's not a song about 0. No, there would not be a 0 train car on the track. If there were no nightlights, everything would be black.
I bet there's not a book or a song about plain old black.
Oh yes, there is. BLACK spells black. BLACK spells black. Flying bats are black, scaredy cats are black, jelly beans are black, I like black. BLACK spells black. You're singing along too. B-L-A-C-K spells black. Sunday shoes are black, Santa's boots are black, B-L-A-C-K spells black. Hey, look! It's morning! Let's continue on with our adventure! Yay! I hope we get back home in time for the Telephabets Festival! ... Here is where we test some of our sample, spelling with the Telephabets. Topsy, will you please guide us through the second, part of what we learned? Sure thing! Da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. T-W-O, that spells two. T-W-O spells number two. Trixie triangle, has three sides, And
I'm a little black. Blah, 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 black.
Whoa, stop. That's not right. That's not even one of our colors. You must be right, Galopi. We always have to double check to make sure everything here at the Telephabets Festival is right. For instance, we did not learn about the tiny black.
Yes, you did.
Bye-bye.
Wow.
Attention, color black. Please report to, the, second room of the Telephabets Festival, please. Thank you. Da-da-da-da-da-da. B-L-A-C-K spells black. There we go. That is one color we know and see mostly a lot in the dark. Da-da-da-da.